I'm Justin Crowbob, the Mission Reach Superintendent. We conducted a prescribed burn on the Mission Reach of the San Antonio River, June 12th and 13th, 2018. And we've been seeing some very promising recovery.
Very excited that we were able to do a burn out here. Some of these areas had a lot of non-native annual species that we were able to control through this burn. So the results have been outstanding and have enabled me and my team to be able to come out here and do a lot of the recovery process.
I'm Mike Leonard with the San Antonio River Authority, and I'm the restoration foreman on the Mission Reach project. To tell folks, yeah, keep an eye on it. When you come back, you'll see it's going to change every time you see it. You'll see it start to green up. You'll see that vegetation start to get nice and tall. You're going to see an increase in wildlife, and that was one of our goals, to increase that native habitat and increase the native vegetation. It's all going to work together, and fire is a very important part of that.